So very good morning online and offline students. Today we are going to discuss the revision assignment 4 from the chapter Inside Our Changing Earth and Growing Up as Boys and Girls. Online students, you can write down the answers in the chat box side by side. Okay. The first question, dash waves of earthquake are called longitudinal waves. Yes, just me. P waves, primary waves. ठीक है? Very good, Jamie. A massive earthquake measured 6.9 on Richter scale hit Bhuj on 26 January 2001. Flat plains formed by river deposits during the time of floods are called flood plains. Very good. Saksham, Aaron, आपने गलत आंसर लिखा है. Tsunami waves are wrong. Aditi and Manya, right answer. Now, give reason. Some rocks have a shape of mushroom. Yes, Anuri. Yes, Aditi.
Some rocks have mushroom-like shape because of effect of wind on them. When erosion of rocks in desert happen, the wind erode the small pieces from lower part of mushroom rocks and upper part remains same. That's why upper part is wider than lower part.
जो wind का action है, that is more on the lower part as compared to the upper part. तो जो erosion ज़्यादा कहाँ पे हो रहा है? Towards the lower part. ठीक है? तो lower जो base है, that is narrower and the top is wider. That takes the shape of mushroom rock. And where these rocks are commonly seen in the desert. Now, name the primary rock and its type. Name the primary rock and its type. Yes, beta. बोलिए मृदुल. पहले का आंसर है igneous rocks are the primary rocks. Now the types. These are of two types. Exclusive rocks. When the molten magma cools at the earth, when the molten magma came outside from the volcano and now, so the Mridul has given the answer. The first is primary rocks. The two types are intrusive and extrusive. And उसने एक line में उसको explain भी किया है with example. Very good, Mridul. Now, gold, petroleum, and coal are example of. Very good. Are examples of minerals. Full form of SEMA. Yes, Bhumish. Silica and magnesium. Full form of Sial. Raghav. Silica and alumina. What is the full form of iron? Nickel and where these minerals are found? In the core. In the जो iron है, nickel and iron. तो iron कौन से ore से हमें मिलता है? That is ferrous. That is ferrous. Yes. Now, housework is invisible and unpaid work. Housework is physical demanding. It's time consuming. So, what is the meaning of the term invisible, physical demanding, and time consuming? And give one example. Yes, Aditya. Yes, Manya. What answer you have written?
Housework is invisible means that society does not recognize the work done by women inside their home, as they cannot see, as women don't get a salary for this. For example, women cook for long hours, but the society does not recognize it as work. They recognize it as a responsibility for women.
In the first we can say कि it's a caregiving, है ना? When the women are taking care of the young ones or of the elder people or the sick person at home, ठीक है? और उस काम को हम इमोशनली देखते हैं, तो जो इमोशंस है वो अनसीन हम कर देते हैं उस चीज को. अनपेड है, इट मींस दैट the women, those who are doing the household work, they are not getting any salary for that. Whatever work is done by them, that is unpaid. Now the next is physical demanding. Physical demanding means lot of hard work is required, ठीक है? Like mopping, sweeping, cooking या washing clothes. Now the next one is it's time consuming. Takes a lot of time. Cooking requires a lot of time. 2 to 3 hours are required. Washing clothes also require time. Okay? And if we talk about the people, those who are living in the rural areas, fetching of waters, carry the burden on the head, that is also physical demand. Okay? Household work either done by the housewives or done by the domestic workers. दोनों के लिए वो डबल बर्डन ही उनके लिए क्या हो जाता है, फिजिकल डिमांडिंग हो जाता है. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट डोमेस्टिक वर्कर्स, उनके लिए ये डबल बर्डन हो जाता है, बिकॉज दे हैव टू डू देयर ओन हाउस वर्क एंड द हाउस होल्ड वर्क ऑफ द अदर पीपल और द एम्प्लॉयर्स ऑल्सो.